Hey guys, a couple of you have asked for a video on how to pick up the diagonal on our Watery Ripples shawl. So this is a quick little video. It's actually really easy. Here's a little Watery Ripples swatch. It's just a swatch, that's why it's not that wide. And I did it until this diagonal is at the edge. So I'm gonna be on row 21. Row 21. When you get to row 21, you just knit your first 3 like all the other right side rows, and you do a make 1, and then you kind of get rid of these needles for a second. You're gonna knit 3, make 1, and then just kind of pull this down so that your stitches don't come off. And what you want to do is follow this diagonal to the bottom edge. So it's this one, just to make sure you pick up the right one. And you take a smaller needle because it's easier, and just pick up every purl bump. You don't have to pick up a knit, you don't have your yarn, you're just picking up every bump. So just slide your needle into the purl bump like that, all the way up to the top. They'll get longer as you go, but this first one is pretty short. Last one can be a little tighter. There we go. So now you've got your whole diagonal picked up. Now you want to take your working yarn and your regular needle and just knit across those stitches that you just picked up. So you're just going to knit across these. Then when you get to the end of your picked up stitches, just turn it. And then you're going to bind off all of those stitches and the make 1 you made, because your last bind off loop will replicate that make 1, so you'll still have your increase. So you're just going to bind this off. Just a regular bind off into, pull the first stitch over the second, knit another one, pull the first stitch over the second. So the last one you do is your make 1, knit that, bind it off, put your yarn forward just so you're gonna need it on the other side when you go back. Slip this stitch, your last stitch, onto the left needle. You can get rid of this little needle now, and then you turn your work back around and you just complete your row as it says on the pattern, which is, you know, then knit 9, purl 1. So there you go. There's your first pickup diagonal. It's cute, right? It's a really fun pattern. I hope that helps. Okay, thanks. Bye.